Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 101. The exclusive semaphore is owned by another process. Error excluding semaphore already owned on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code in your system, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here choose Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection and a new Windows security page will open. Here click on scan options and here under available 4 scan options choose full scan. The scan could take longer than 1 hour, so wait till full scanning of your system. After that, check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Don't forget, Windows security scanning process will take longer than 1 hour. Wait till 100% complete. Right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under available device driver, look for any faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation mark. Yellow color exclamation marks means this is a faulty driver. So find out such type of faulty drivers and expand them. Right click on them and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Search automatically for drivers. Choose and let the window complete the updating process of your device driver. Apply this process for all your faulty drivers. If any found in device manager, apply this method for all your faulty drivers and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. This command will scanning your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system. Accordingly, your